Crime appears to be on the decline in Edmonton, but that doesn't mean the public feels that way. New data released from Edmonton Police on Monday shows a drop in both the rate and severity of crime, mostly from lowered reported property crime and lowered severity for violent crimes. But there's still an increase in calls to police about social disorder, and it's this issue that police believe explains why so many Edmontonians still feel unsafe.
They don't see the reduction in crime because what they see is what's in front of them day to day, so they see the disorder.
The city's crime rate dipped 6% from 2023 to 2024 and 5% for the Crime Severity Index, which weighs volume and seriousness. The violent crime rate is also down 10% in a year, with drops in severity largely from fewer gun crimes, robberies, serious assaults, and break-ins into cars and homes. Still, there's more shoplifting, calls about trespassing, encampments, and things that aren't necessarily crimes that make people feel unsafe.
Or we've experienced in Edmonton over the last couple of years is this kind of conflated issue of disorder and crime. So the minute people see someone on the street using drugs, even though it's technically illegal, it may not necessarily require a justice response, they immediately equate that to crime in their community.
And while police are focusing on more street patrols, they know sometimes the best response involves social and health workers.
There was a reluctance or inability to kind of deal with some of these problems that were burgeoning, especially in our downtown core. So we're coming up with strategies, trying to work at them creatively to kind of address those issues.
Violence is still up from before the pandemic, but lower than the national and provincial averages. From Edmonton, Lauren Boothby, City News.